Welcome back to the channel where the host might have given you the secret of meaning. Yet on that specific moment, you weren't paying attention. Anyway, in this episode,
a monitor lizard invites us to chill in her living room. And then a beautiful teenage goat looks deep into my soul as if to ask me why. For goodness sakes, why are you just so handsome? It's amazing. And later on, I get into a very compelling argument with the goat's
we've been
father.
hanging out on the same point for like more than 5 minutes right now, and I don't even know how to put it across anymore. I'm tired. I've been saying the same point over and over and over and over. Sir, listen to me, sir. If you've got a complaint, please write it down on a piece of paper and mail it to the hospital where you were born, okay? See that?
And I lose yet another argument to another furious master debater.
No, I see your point, but meow. Meow. Your point is null and void. Now you see you're licking your butt in the middle of an argument.
And now a large cow snatches something from my hand. And then I zoom in on some millipedes in their marital bed, like some sort of perv. And which, come to think about it, if I'm recording this, I might actually be one. This is weird.
Fascinating.
And then we look at a newborn baby goat.
Born just a few minutes ago. So today we're going to check out some animals that I found in the Chumani farm. Some are wild, some are domestic, some are cute, some are not really cute. But if you're an animal lover like me, you know I love animals. This episode is for you. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Hello everyone, welcome to my Pibo's therapy. Look at this little guy. This little guy is so cute. She was born just yesterday. Oh, I know this buddy. I know. Look at that. She wants to walk around. Like, this is actually a key. Has to go to the bar. Look at that. I just have to show you a little. Okay, I know this one. There you go. That's your mom right there. He now thinks I'm the mom. Okay, let me take her back to the. Let me take him back to the mom. Okay. I just want to hug this guy. I can go back to Nairobi with him or something.
Now, when I went to my room to change, I found this little guy. This is actually a millipede. When you grab them, they usually curl up into a ball. See, like that. Though this is a small one, but don't worry, we are going to get bigger ones. Ay, muy grande. Yeah. But before I take you on that tour around the farm, we have to deal with this guy first.
Meow. You're not understanding what I'm telling you. Meow. Meow.
Okay, little buddy, I didn't know it was like that. You ain't gotta bring my mama into this. Damn.
Would you like some shrimp, little kitty? Okay, hold on. Little kitty, here goes. Eat those shrimp. Wow, you are really a picky cat. You don't want shrimp cocktail? Yeah.
Right, now we can go look for where the cows are grazing.
So I'm behind the homestead, and as you know, this is a farm. You can collect fruit everywhere. Look. This is, as I said, these are not really mature. These are mangoes, but they're not really mature. So it's kind of to entice these cows, you know. Because I'm taking you to the deep, the deep farm right now, like the picket, the forest. Because this place is surrounded by forest. So let me grab my bag together with my offering. And let's head down. First I see some guava here. This farm is full of everything, I'm telling you. Spotted some guavas. You guys know guavas, right? Yeah. See that? Oh, nice and pink it is. Delicious. Yeah, I don't even need to cook anything. I'm sorry if the place is kind of windy. But as I said, I don't have a microphone, so. Come on, Maraba. Kind of forgot the greeting. This is where I grew up after Sudan, right? I've been around for a minute or two. If I tell you I'm Sudanese, will you believe me? You can't. Aye. It's enough guavas. See all those mango trees, coconut. I don't know if you can see the coconut trees all over the place, right? This is a well right here. It's where the movie The Ring was acted. Right in this well. Yeah. See that? Can you feel the horror? Horror. Let me go show you some more of this farm. See, I told you we're getting into the forest now. See here. Let's pass through the ticket. Because this is what you clicked for, right? And it isn't uncommon in Chumani to bump into like a really large snake. But I don't mind them though. I just nature trying to get some food, you know.
Okay, I didn't find a snake, but I found this little guy.
Hey little buddy. Hey little buddy. You're my star now. Do something. Move. It's a monitor lizard.
See that? I told him to do something and he did. He ate those ants. We have an understanding. What's that, little buddy? You want me to come in for some tea and cookies? Nah, I'll take a rain check. My doctor told me I have too many insects in my diet. Sorry, buddy.
Okay, he's not afraid of anything. So, he's the master of the universe. Here's the monitor lizard from a different angle. Let's zoom in. It's not such a big monitor lizard, but she is a beauty.
Right, let's leave the lizard to keep monitoring and move to another scene.
In this next shot, you can see a millipede transporting another millipede. This is quite a weird phenomenon. Look at that. You know they are related. They're even kids. Because they usually lay eggs. Do they lay eggs or give birth? I don't know my scientific facts. I won't lie to you guys. But it's quite interesting. I think the bottom one is a male. And the one on top is a female.
But isn't that always the case?
You know, I was told, get some sunscreen before you get out here. I said I'm good. I have my heart. This is enough sunscreen. But I think this is the definition of being lost. I won't put some dramatic music here. The way guys normally put it in YouTube videos and stuff. Dramatic music. But this is the definition of being lost. City boy out in the woods. Is it woods or this is more of a thicket? And all these are thorny trees, as you can see. All these are thorns, like prickly thorns. See that? But this is the definition of being lost. Damn, I don't even know how I'm going to get myself out of here. Whew. So, lost on my way to look for cows.
But the good thing is I bumped into these two lovebirds on some public display of affection. Look at that.
This might be X-rated. But here we have two millipedes mating in their natural state. Fascinating. If you want to watch that for some reason. Okay guys, I've been walking for like 15 minutes trying to locate where this herdsman took the cows. But I'll be honest, I'm kind of lost. Okay, I'm not really lost per se, but because I know if I walk in this direction, I'm going to finally get back to the homestead. But I'm kind of lost. And this place, damn, as in the thickets, the thorns, they're really, and the worst thing is I'm wearing a vest. So the scratches are really getting under my skin, as in like real deep scratches. See here, I have to go low to maneuver past here. Oof, ow, yeah. But I'm a big boy, I can handle it. Damn, that's on my, oh man, shit. Ow. Yep. I don't know what I've gotten myself into. But yeah, this is what happens like in those nature documentaries. But this is now real life. No cameraman here, I'm alone. Got lost looking for a bunch of cows. Can you believe that? Finally got myself out of the thicket. There's where I'm from. Anyway, here we have some cows. And she doesn't really know me, so she'll run away from me. Cows can't love you unless you bring them an offering. And this is why I was collecting those mangoes, you know. Now take a look at the difference. She will love me. She's called Diana. So if you're called Diana too, I'm sorry. But that's the name of a cow. My grandma is the one who named her anyway. Look. Okay, she's more of a mango type of girl, so got some mangoes in my bag. Get that. You know, I'm not supposed to be turning my back to the cow like that. But here, look at the difference. Damn, black girl loves mangoes. Diana, enjoy your mango. Look, I got another one for you, girl. Yep. Here we go. Still chewing on that one. It's not mirror. Okay, let me just put for you down here. There she is. Now, let's go check out the other one. Yep, we found them. There's Diana right there. I think her name is Lulu, I'm not really sure. I don't know the names of these tiny ones here. But funny enough, they're the cutest. Just watch them. Really cute. She can't even chew yet. The mistake I did, I left my bag right here with her, and look at what happened to my bag. Look, she licked it all over trying to find these mangoes here. I need to wash that bag. Okay, let me leave them to you. Your offerings. Just eat it straight from my hand. What's wrong with you? You don't have to put it down first.
Now, as I was walking back home, I came across this goat which had just given birth. Look at her kid.
Can't even stand, just a few hours old. She can't even stand properly. Look at the placenta right there. There's the placenta, and here's the baby girl. Damn, they look alike. Looks almost exactly like the father. Don't worry, Mama, I'm just taking a video, okay, of your little girl. She's so cute.
Now let's put them together.
This is cuteness overload right here. Oh, they're both going onto the they're both sitting down. This is picture perfect. Two baby goats in their natural habitat. Oh, these little guys are so cute. One is a girl and one is a boy. Oh, ain't that sweet? You know, it's weird how in a few months we'll be watching one chasing after the other one all in heat. And won't say, we'll say, ew. I guess that's how life goes, huh? She's the girl, and he's the dude. Even my whole hand is bigger than this guy's. My hand is actually way huger than this guy's. God. Guys are so cute. Hey, you're peeing and you're doing something bigger. Okay. Let me leave you to your privacy. All it takes to win you over is a big juicy mango. Yeah, here you go. Diana, you want another big juicy mango? Damn, you're greedy. Chew with your mouth closed. That's how behave girls do. Okay? She doesn't understand me. She doesn't understand me. Look at what your sister is doing. Look. You don't have to put it down first. It's a big cow. I don't have another one. Sina? I don't have another one. Dad. Hold on. I'll get you another one. Let me grab one of these mangoes here. Another mango.
And as I said in the homestead vlog, a disease that wiped out all my grandma's chickens, and this one was the only one left standing. But the messed up thing is, the very next day after this shot, a hawk grabbed her.
Look at the little chicken.
But that's just farm life, right?
So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next vlog. Later.